This video will show you how to unlock the network of your iPhone so that you can use it with any eSIM or any SIM card. This will work for any iPhone, including the iPhone 17 Pro, 16, 15, 14, or any other. Now, there are a few ways in which you can do a network unlock. The first option is to take it to a phone shop, but the downside is that you will be handling over your iPhone with all your personal information, and this could be risky and insecure. Secondly, you could also try contacting your carrier, but in most cases they are unwilling to unlock your device and they try to make you use their services forever with phone contracts. That's why I recommend using a professional online unlocking service as the one we will be using today. So here's how it works. Start by finding your IMEI number required for this unlock. To find it, go to the dial pad and dial *#06#. The 15-digit IMEI number will show up in the screen of your device. You can also find the IMEI number by going to the settings of your iPhone, About, and if you scroll all the way down, you'll see the IMEI number. The IMEI number is also located behind a box, or sometimes you could also eject the SIM card tray of your iPhone and you will see a small little number there. That's the IMEI number. Once you have your IMEI number, we're going to proceed to the following website, UnlockRiver.com. I will include all the links in the description of this video, so make sure you use the official links. Here we will use the carrier unlock service. We're going to start by selecting the original country and carrier that your phone is locked to. If you don't know the origin of your phone, you can run your IMEI number through one of these IMEI check tools, which will tell you the original country, the original network, the lock status, and much more. So once you know all the details, we're going to proceed to fill up the form. We'll continue by selecting the brand and then the exact model. In this case, Apple iPhone 17 Pro. And let's proceed. In the next step, you'll have to enter your 15-digit IMEI number. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. Enter your email, and lastly, you're gonna see the time to unlock this device and the price to get this phone unlocked. The price may vary depending on your phone's brand, model, and carrier. And I know that these prices might be a little bit scary, but trust me, it's worth having a fully unlocked phone that you can use anywhere worldwide. So I think it's completely worth it. But as promised, I'll show you the rest of the process so that you can see how we unlock this device. On the following pop-up, just proceed to place your order. After placing your order, you will receive two emails. The first email is confirming your order, and you will receive the second email after the unlock has been successfully completed. The second email should look something like this. It confirms that the iPhone has been successfully factory unlocked, and now we simply need to activate the unlock by connecting it to Wi-Fi or following a few simple steps. So let's proceed with the final phase. So the first step is to turn off your device. Insert a new SIM card, or simply install any eSIM through the settings of your phone. Turn on the iPhone, and that's it. Once it connects to Wi-Fi, it will detect the new network and you will be fully able to use it with any network anywhere in the world. Your iPhone now works with a new carrier and is compatible worldwide with any eSIM. You can install any SIM card and your iPhone will have no SIM restrictions. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Take care.